How big was it? 5'8", no? Or
5'8".
5'8". Garfish. You know, Rambo's just staring at you doing it. Yeah. Bring the head up.
Huh?
La cabeza. It weighs a lot too, huh? The head, la pura head. You honestly, the mouth don't open no more, huh?
No.
Too cold.
Too cold. It's frozen.
That's the head right there.
Rambo.
Pops caught that. It's about 5'10", 5'10", because he measured it when we got home. So it shrinks whenever you have it at 9s. Yes, sir. Hey, get out of there, boy. And in here, there's more in here. We got, hold on. We got some redfish. That's like 25 inches. There's a baby gar in here. Let me see if I can get it. Now, here goes the baby gar. Fuck. About, I think, 3 foot. There's like 2 reds in there, a flounder, and then, like I said, the baby gar. Yep. About to clean them, cook them up. Let's look at this thing. AlligatorGar, down here in Texas, Houston. What's up, boy? Peace, yo.